A bright white two-story villa stands radiant beneath a flawless blue sky, its crisp facade glowing in the sunlight. The building's architecture is timeless yet warm, a Mediterranean soul kissed by the tropics. The terracotta tile roof crowns it with rustic charm, each curved tile sun-baked and slightly uneven, giving the roof texture and life. Below, dark green shutters frame every window with bold contrast, adding rhythm and depth to the pristine white walls. The windows themselves are tall and arched, inviting breezes and sunlight to dance through the rooms within. The villa's ground level is graced with a series of elegant arched doorways that open directly onto a serene garden. Each arch is a frame for the view outside, palm fronds swaying in the wind, dense leaves glowing emerald, and flowers bursting with color. The symmetry of the arches gives the structure a sense of grace and formality, while the tropical setting softens everything into a lush and relaxed ambience. At the heart of the outdoor space, a narrow turquoise swimming pool stretches like a glowing ribbon of water. Lined with natural stone, it sparkles in the sun, reflecting light off its smooth surface. The stones that border it are warm and textured. Earthy browns, soft creams, and muted grays. Cool underfoot in the shade, and sun-warmed in the open. The pool is just wide enough to drift slowly through or sit beside with a cool drink in hand, toes dipped in the water. Surrounding the villa, tropical vegetation flourishes in every direction. Towering banana plants fan their wide leaves over quiet corners, while bougainvillea vines spill over low walls in cascades of pink and magenta. Birds flit between branches, and the air is rich with the scent of blossoms, wet stone, and salt carried from the sea. The entire setting is awash with sunlight, every detail crisp and vibrant. The sky above is cloudless and infinite, casting a steady light that makes the villa feel like it belongs to another, more peaceful world. It is a place of still mornings, afternoon swims, and golden evenings under the palms, a villa designed not only to house life, but to celebrate it.